Walmart has awesome products from the home edit organizing masters known for helping to declutter and get spaces into shape. These are definitely a game changer. As always, we want you to like, subscribe, and share this video, and stay tuned to Walmart's YouTube channel for more great content. So I'll be using these 5 items from the home edit, which is sold exclusively at Walmart, to show you how I organize my space. This space definitely needs some help. I love that I can actually see my seasonings on the 3-tier riser. This is it's a gem. It's a gem. You can use it for many different items. I'm using it for my seasonings. I really like how this came out. The inserts can go right into those large tubs and help you to conserve more space. So this is a drawer that I'll be organizing. As you can see, I've kind of just got things everywhere. Wow, now doesn't that look amazing and definitely decluttered? And so these are interchangeable. You can move them around. You can readjust them as needed. And they're also easy to clean. I really like that as well. This little turntable definitely is a game changer for keeping your space organized. And what I love most about it is it's multi-use. You can use it wherever you choose around your home. I absolutely love this turntable. It is definitely going to make my life a lot easier by keeping everything organized and giving me the opportunity to get to the things that I need with ease. So thank you for joining as you see how I utilize the home edit lines sold exclusively at Walmart to get myself decluttered and organized as I go into another great year. So of course we want you to like, subscribe, and share these videos, and stay tuned and visit us next week for more great content.